Liverate or Kukwan is also known as Crooked Spring. It is a water point, hussy point, and a tonification point. The spring in the name of this point refers to it being the water point, and crooked, bend, or curve refer to its location. As the water point and tonification point along the Schenck cycle mother-child relationship, crooked spring is used to engender strength and nourish the liver at each level of mind, body, and spirit. For wood to grow strong and to unfold its potential, it must be rooted in water. Without its foundations being strong, its growth will be weak and inflexible. When the liver is not well rooted, it can give away to over aggressive impulses and lose the instinctive ability to stop at the extremity. So it becomes angry, stressed, over organizing, and invades the territory of other officials and people. Without this rooting in the yin, the ethereal soul becomes agitated. The correct communication with the spirit is lost, and chaos, mania, palpitations, and disturbed sleep can ensue. Liverate brings the tranquility, lubrication, and yin rooting of water to assist the liver with its smooth flow of energy, accommodating change and easing its way through any knotted energy. It strengthens the liver's intelligence in conceiving plans and ability to make new beginnings and to direct others in a benevolent rather than controlling way. When there is a lack of will, it is hard to put into effect the steps the liver, with its responsibility for assessing situations, sees as necessary. If the person's sense of self is unrooted or the person is overstretched, this may be unable to accommodate or reflect upon other viewpoints or adapt to changes of circumstance. When the person experiences life as a battle, this point can strengthen the will, refresh the spirit, and soften rigidity. Liverate soothes and nourishes the liver, regulates and tonifies the liver, benefits the bladder, treats difficult urine patterns, pruritus, regulates menstruation, fertility, and moves blood stasis. Yin deficiency situations affecting the liver, inflexibility and restlessness of mind and the spirit, dry skin and eyes, strengthens the knee and also treats skin problems.